Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Furmis winter gloves. You can get this product on Amazon for about $30. Check out the link in the description. For $30 you receive 2 pairs of winter gloves. They are warm and comfortable to wear, and they look very nice. The winter gloves are available in different sizes, and they are a good fit for men, women and kids. I tested the winter gloves for a couple of days and I think it's a very good product. They are warm and comfortable, and you can use them for many different outdoor activities. So if you want to be prepared for the cold winter days, I would recommend the Furmis winter gloves. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.